I'm Molly and I'm here with Anthony, our operations director here at Bridge Classic Cars, who oversees our workshops. Now on the last video we looked inside the finishing room and the paint room, but today we're going to have a little walk around our main workshop. So Anthony, what's going on in here today?
Very busy today,
Yes.
as you can see, lots of cars in here. So yeah, we've got plenty to do. So I suppose, can we talk about the Jensen behind you?
Yes,
So,
I absolutely love this maroon colour.
Beautiful maroon colour. It's a Jensen 541, in for some bits and pieces. So you know, lots of bits to do on it. Customer wants some items attended to, which we're in the process of doing. We've kind of done the whole inspection on the car now. We are literally just going back together with the bits and pieces he wants doing. So lots of parts to be fitted to it. So yes.
And it looks like maybe some seats as well.
Yeah, that's for the transmission. So we get to the transmission inside.
Oh, I see.
So the way the cars are built, are built almost around the engine and gearbox.
Yeah.
So it's actually easier to get into the gearbox.
Take everything out.
Take the inside out. Yeah, so exactly.
Oh, brilliant.
So yes, so that's where we are with that one. So beautiful car, beautiful colour.
It is absolutely stunning.
Yeah.
And then can we move on to this Daimler, this absolutely huge
This
Daimler
thing
limo?
is massive. It is unbelievably big, isn't it? I think it's again, it's been sat around for quite a while. Again, it's recommissioning. We've gone from top to toe on it. I think we found nearly 35 items that needed attending.
Oh, right.
And the customer's gone ahead and asked all them to be done.
Fantastic.
And that's to like fuel pumps, to front brakes, rear brakes, pads and discs, lower ball joints. We are nearly there with this as well. There's one more ball joint to do, then it's up for testing, road testing, make sure there's no fuel leaks or anything like that. But again, it's gone from top to bottom on it to make sure it's fantastic.
Fantastic. I bet. Has it got a phone as well? Oh, Rob, who's behind the camera filming today, he's just said it's got a phone as well, and it has.
Have you seen the interior?
No, I haven't.
Let me
Let's have a little look.
get that out of the way. Sorry. Look at that.
Wow, is that velvet?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness me. That is amazing. So exuberant.
But yes, you have
Very
the
nice
phone in the centre console as well.
Yes. Don't see those anymore, do you?
No.
So from this absolutely massive Daimler, we move over to something a little bit smaller.
Something a little bit smaller, Maserati Biturbo. We're in the process of fitting the engine back into this. And yeah, we're in the process of fitting that. So the engine's been away. I think we had it as a fault with the engine itself internally. That's been repaired. And now it's gone back in and we are trying to fit it back in. Well, it's in, but we just got to plumb it all back in together.
Perfect, brilliant. The interior to this is very different.
Very 80s again.
Wow, so 80s. Oh my gosh, I love all of the leather over the dash. It's very cool indeed. so retro.
So again, like I say, we're coming to an end of quite a few jobs in the main workshop. They're all, a lot of them are nearly finished off, which is great. So come next week, we'll have a clear week to start again on other restorations, I assume.
Fantastic.
So yeah. So yes, it's been lots still to do, but we're nearly finished.
We're moving forward.
on. Yes,
now
indeed.
we've got a Reliance scimitar
Yes.
here. Now it has no engine in at the moment.
No, we are replacing said engine. Well, we'll say we. Greg is replacing the engine.
There he is now, working hard.
So customers' request is for us to replace the engine. Customer has supplied the engine for us, and when I say we, as I said, Greg is actually fitting the engine. So he's actually fitting it. But yes, we're just waiting for a couple of parts before we put it back in. The release bearing, customer supplied us with a clutch, but unfortunately the release bearing doesn't fit onto the gearbox, so we've got a new release bearing coming. And we're just waiting for that. That's basically holding us up before we actually put the engine back in.
There we go. So everything's moving forward all
Yes.
the time.
So it was really good that we got the engine came out quite easy and quite quickly. And obviously the customer supplied us one, so it was a matter of swapping the items over, the ancillaries over, which we've done. But unfortunately, like I say, we're now stuck on it, waiting for this release bearing to come. Hopefully it'll be here this afternoon, if not tomorrow morning. So fingers crossed it'll go straight back in.
And I couldn't help but notice the gorgeous Porsche in the corner. So what's going on with the
I
Porsche
love
over
this.
here?
This car is, for its age and its styling, I think it's really, really nice.
It is beautiful.
It is a really, really nice, cool car. I believe it's going to be a competition car.
Oh wow, amazing.
Amazing, yeah. And yes, it's just come in for its appraisal with us. I think we found a rear wiper blade and 2 bulbs that needed doing.
Oh, so it's pretty perfect
Pretty
then.
perfect. Again, I'll get Rob to show the interior on that one. That's fantastic.
Oh, look at
But yeah,
that.
it's a really, really nice car. Like I say, for its age and its mileage and its condition, it's,
Yeah,
it's
it looks pretty
phenomenal.
flawless, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh, and the interior. Oh, it's very blue in there. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, no, again, it's really, really a timepiece.
Yeah. Bit of a time capsule we've got ourselves there.
Yep.
And then we're moving over here. What's over here?
We have a
So we've got our Jaguar.
lovely, lovely Jaguar. Again, it's only a couple of bits to be done in a replacement of a door seal, a window seal, and then when the customer dropped off today, he said, "Can you just check that it's not overheating?" So we're doing the seals and the rubbers now, and then we'll check all the engine levels, the coolant level, check the fan to make sure that's working, and then see if we can actually get the thing to overheat. So there's a bit of work to be done on that still, but yeah.
Fabulous. Well, Anthony, thank you so much for a whistle-stop tour around the main workshop here at Bridge Classic Cars. It's good now we've seen nearly every section.
Yes.
We still have the fabrication shop, which we've not been to yet, but maybe on our next video.
Yep, we can do that for you.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
if you
you.
have enjoyed this and want to see more inside our workshop, then please like, subscribe and turn on those notifications.